Hi guys, what is up? So we're doing a day in the life of an exchange student 1, 2, 3. Okay, day in the life of an exchange student at Korea University. So I'm just gonna get ready and prepare to go to class and burn my eyeballs with makeup spray. Okay, but I really recommend this makeup spray because it makes my skin super hydrated and also lasts all day. My plan is to dress cute today because I've forgotten who I am after not speaking for about 2 weeks because I lost my voice from
karaoke.
But today we have 2 classes. Can't film in the class, but I'll film like on my way. So I have no idea what I'm saying here, but I'm basically going up to the dorms to eat at a cafeteria with my friend right now. Forgot what this is, but I'll just overlay it with text.
Do you have any plans today, or?
Oh yeah, we're going out today.
Are we?
Yeah, with my friend Esther.
Are we actually going out?
We're going to seongsu. To heal my karaoke voice, my Korean friend put me on this ginseng honey tea. And I've been drinking it every day.
Okay. The sound effects are really
Then this place was giving out free Pokemon themed yogurt to us. Shall we go to class? I feel like Korea just gives you a lot of free stuff. So now me and my friends are going to seongsu to go cafe hopping.
Sponsor me.
Going to the cafe where?
Right there. It's like above there. Right there.
Oh,
It's tiny.
cool. I didn't see it at all.
Okay, first of all, my socks.
There were no seats, so we had to put in our numbers. Oh, these are real? Thank you. I just want to zoom in on the peach.
Huh?
Whoa.
It's so cute though.
Oh, you're so pretty. Hello.
It's for dog shit or something.
Hey, I get the hype now. It's so good.
It's so good. I told you guys. It's like a potato.
Really?
Yeah. It's really hot. Not my Mexican.
Norwegian would be more like Shayla. Tiffany. Listen.
It's the same.
Oh, you're the like mermaid musical. Your musical theater kid.
Oh, shut up! We have to pick this one. We have to keep it.
So today our plan is to get our hair dyed and go to Seoul's biggest fireworks festival. I'm trying out a new color that I haven't done before. Yellow. So I'm super scared and excited at the same time. So here I'm explaining how a previous hairstylist messed up my hair to look like a staircase. So I might need to chop it all off. Also, I put stickers on my face because I don't have pimple patches right now.
What the dog doing?
told them I really like the chocolate, so they gave me more. Also, I brought banana milk from the convenience store. So now after bleaching my hair, they're going to wash the bleach out.
Wow. 호랑이처럼.
네, 감사합니다. 수고했어요. Like not even one, but I guess half of one. Look at this for now.
What the dog doing?
I really like the color now. I'm like slowly getting used to it. Don't we have the same hair color?
Mine is darker.
Yeah, yours is a little bit darker.
This makes me kind
Probably for safety reasons.
We're like alpha female is offensive.
어차피 늦었어. It's really good actually.
It's like really crispy.
Oh, 5,000원. Do you like most out of everything?
Maybe the skewers, I don't know.
Yeah, okay. Let's get skewers then.
How much is it? Like my forearm is actually
Wow.
my forearm.
It's really tasty actually. Oh, they have podo too.
Oh, it's hot.
어때?
It's warm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's warm, right? They're supposed to chill it, but they didn't chill it.
They're warm.
Looking at the fireworks, I became so grateful that I was in Korea. Even though I lost my voice for 2 weeks, even though my eye got stung by a bug, even though I got insulted for my looks in the subway, I became so grateful looking at the fireworks and knowing I finally achieved my dream of learning my mother tongue in my motherland. That's why I'm so excited to achieve the rest of my dreams here in Korea, rest of Asia, and finally back at Yale. I was so scared of going back, but my study abroad trip taught me more than ever about who I am and what I want in life. Thank you so much for watching me grow. Subscribe for more of my chaotic journey, and I hope to see you next time.